Let's go for a walk. Come on. Come on. Oh, I have to follow me. Okay. Come on. I'm just gonna close the door because you're gonna teleport there. What the? Mr. Bones did this. I know he did. Mr. Bones! Hey! What'd you do? What'd you do to the place? You put bones in here. I mean, I know you're mostly here, but you don't have to do that. Wait, why did you do this? Because you wanna make friends?
Bone.
Okay, because you wanna punch yourself?
Bone.
Because you need to use the restroom?
Bones.
Okay,
Bone.
I'll give you some signs to talk, at least. Here, just take these, I guess, and put it back. Oh. Here. Take him. I don't understand what you're saying. Oh, there you go. You're gonna... Oh, yeah,
Bones.
you can't put it down. There. Having trouble there, buddy? Having trouble? I don't think it works. I guess I won't understand what you're saying today, Mr. Bones, because the sign won't go on. Well, I guess I will fix the sign later? Oh well. Well, I just wanted to say hi, Mr. Bones. You've been gone for a little bit of time. Sorry that I can't understand what you're saying. Maybe tomorrow, right?
Bones.
Okay, I'll leave. Whatever, I think that's what you said. Well, come on, Samuel. Let's go for a walk. Okay. No! I'm gonna run. Okay, I'm not gonna run over a sheep. Nah. Come on, Samuel. Ugh, come on. Yeah. Hi, Houdini. Hi, Houdini. Hello, Houdini. Have you seen Freddy? Was Freddy here yesterday? Was he charging? I don't know where he's gone for a while. Where did Freddy go? I'm coming in the bathroom. 3, 2, 1. Nope. Where could he be? Oh, whoa! It's not in here. Is there any food? Oh. He eats wood. Bears these days. I need to fix that before he finds out. There you go. Come on, Samuel. Actually, no, it's too dangerous for the dog in here. I don't want to shoot you. You might get in the way. I just want to see how I scratch my back. Oh, that hurts. It feels good at the same time. Should I order pizza on the phone, Samuel? I think I should, right? Nah, it's probably closed. Besides, I'm just a boy. I'm just a regular boy. Always alone. Maybe when I turn into Grassman, like when I grow up, I'm gonna be an actor. Yeah, I'm gonna be an actor when I grow up. Oh, I just sound like a little kid. Okay, I need food. Ugh. Maybe Samuel did. Oh, there you go. Okay. Ugh. It's weird in here. It's like this yesterday. Is this open? I don't think so. Everything seems the same. It smells so. Ugh. It smells like someone was in here an earlier ago. Like, I don't know. It's probably nothing. Probably Freddy or someone leaving the dimension again, like they always do. Oh, okay. I won't disturb you. Sorry, you're really frustrated today. Samuel, I think I ruined his day. I feel kind of bad. Nah, he would get over it by tomorrow. Is it just me, or is this house look more concrete-ish? Like, not woolish? Nah, it's probably nothing. Come on. Hey. Kill it. I'm hungry. Kill it. Okay, now I feel bad because I was just eating grass, but at least I got food. That was good cake. What? Why am I so stupid, Sam? I called it cake. Goodness, I'm so tired today. I should have stayed until... Well, I don't know why I stayed until like 2 a.m. in the morning. I woke up at 8. I'm so dumb. Hey, Pumpkinhead. Apparently, I don't know what mutton is. I think it's cake. What's wrong with me today? What's really wrong with me? I called mutton cake. Goodness. Wait, I have wool. I'm gonna... Got wool here somewhere. Or should I say dragon head? Sam, don't smell him. Weirdo. I'm gonna put it on my chest. I don't think I have room in my chest anymore. I need to use those bikes because I don't really use them. Okay, let's see. Yep, I have no room in my chest. Wait, I have signs in here. Oh, yep. Come on, Sammy. Come on. That's what I thought. Well, I guess I'll give it to Mr. Bones. Yeah. Oh, Mr. Bones. Hey! I just came to give you wool. You want wool? Okay, just do whatever you were doing whenever I was gone. Okay. Yeah, he's kind of mad right now, so we can't really bother him for the rest of the time we're here. Wait, Mr. Music Man. Maybe she's doing her therapy in a row. Okay. Ooh. No, she's not in her room either. Dang, where is she? Wait. Make her replace this with wool. That'd be cool. Heh, that rhymes. There you go. Problem solved. I'm pretty sure she likes wool, right? Ouch! Her room changed. Her house changed. It's done here. Nothing in her box. I should put the wool in there. Come on, Sam. Come on. Let's go, Sam. Come on. Sam, no. Wait, she's not here. Why am I running? Wait, maybe the Creeper Man's house? Maybe he's there. Maybe he has something for me to do. I'm just taking Samuel for a walk, so... No, he's not in his bar. Oh, the switch thing is gone. Samuel? Oh, it scared me. I thought I lost you, Samuel. Who's a good boy. Trying to always staying by my side. Yep, we're going for a walk. Oh, maybe Luke is back because he was here 1 month ago sleeping in his house. Nope, his house is empty as heck. I wonder why that. Okay. Let me see if. I was gonna say, I need to see if Freddy's at his job. He got fired. Hey, why'd you fire Freddy? You're rude. Maybe he's in a secret. Our secret base. Maybe he's in our secret streaming room. No, I thought he'd be streaming in here. What the? Yeah, it's not streaming in here. Wait, I can live stream. Samuel, you wanna be in my stream with me? Yeah, come on. Just gonna, yeah, and then how you start this thing? Oh, the right button. But that's to stop it. I'm gonna press the green button. No, you're gonna break his chair. Sit. Oh no, Freddy's gonna hurt because he's gonna kill me. I'll just pretend it's Mr. Music Man. Yeah. Then green buttons. Start. What's up, guys? Welcome to the live stream. Today, Freddy's not here, But I have Samuel the dog. Say hi, Samuel. He's quiet, but you know, that's how dogs are sometimes. But yeah, just want to say that this is a great stream I'm doing, and yeah, let's play some Minecraft. Oh, I got some wood already. Wow, so much achievements. Ooh, achievements. Oh my goodness. Oh, I got a pickaxe and a sword. Oh, I tamed a dog. Samuel. Ooh. What else do I do? Ooh. It's a mine. Oh, I found iron. But I don't have a stone pickaxe. Maybe some stone. Ooh. Achievement. Oh yeah, I forgot. I'll be right back. Stop streaming. Samuel, we gotta go. Freddy might come back any minute now. We have to jump off. Wait, tree. Yeah. Oh. Okay. To Grass Girl's house. Wait, to that tree. Okay, I'm ready. Yeah. Ooh, I'm parkour master. Now time for Grass Girl's house. Ouch, that hurt. That hurt. How'd you get here so? Okay. We're gonna go back home, Samuel. Nobody's here except for Mr. Bones and Pumpkinhead. Everybody's always gone. Come on. Yeah, that's right. Get in the house. We're not doing anything today. Because nobody's home. Samuel, come on, get in your bed. Come on. Oh. Come on, Samuel. Samuel, go to your bed. Yeah. Come on. Get. That's what I thought. I'm gonna go play. I'm gonna go play pirates in the labs because I want you to see me. Yar, I'm a pirate. Give me the booty. Yar.